Hi guys, welcome to Karen's English Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna do story time. Remember, story time is not for children only. It can be for adults learning English. It could be for you with your child. It could be for you with your nieces and nephews, with your grandchildren. It's a great time to enjoy a story. Today I'm going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. This is by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. On Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. So cake, ice cream cone, pickle, Swiss cheese, salami, lollipop, piece of pie. What, another salami? Oh, sausage, cupcake, and watermelon. But he's still hungry. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Thank you for joining me for The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for joining me. See you soon.